the question 2b from magnetostatics chapter. A thin ring of radius 5 centimeters is placed on the plane z is equal to 1 centimeter, so that the center is at 001 centimeters. If the ring carries 50 milliamperes along a5 direction, find h at 00 minus 1 centimeters and 00 10 centimeters. This is given in set 3 April May 2017, 8 marks. So let us see how to answer this question. Actually this question is based on Biot-Savart's law. Let us first draw the three-dimensional coordinate system. Let us first draw the three-dimensional coordinate system. Let us assume that this is the three-dimensional coordinate system x, y, z. So what it is given? It is given that the plane z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1 plane is a constant plane which is parallel to xy plane. So on z is equal to 1 plane, there is a circular ring. There is a circular ring. What is it is given? There is a circular ring is there. On which plane? It is on z is equal to 1 plane. Z is equal to 1 plane. So there is a circular ring. Let us assume that its radius is say a. For example, later we substitute 5 centimeters. So this ring is carrying a current. This ring is carrying a current I. Let us call this current as I. So we want to find out, because of the current flowing through this ring in a5 direction, a magnetic field is generated. So what we want to find out? We want to find out the magnetic field intensity. Let us take at any point 00h. Later we substitute h is equal to minus 1 and h is equal to 10. Generally we derive, say height is h. So we want to find out magnetic field intensity at 00h. For this, take a small section ideal on this current carrying circular loop, and let us assume the cylindrical coordinate system. So because this small section is located at say point, let's say point because of radius a and angle is phi. Because it is z is equal to 1 plane, it is substituted as any point on the ring can be taken as a, angle is phi. Because this ring is in z is equal to 1 plane, rho phi z, rho is everywhere a, the angle where is phi. Because this is in z is equal to 1 plane, z we have to take it as 1. So from this what is calculate dh, then later we will integrate over this entire circle to get the entire h. So this is the first we have to draw this diagram. So now from Biot-Savart's law, as very important formula, the magnetic field intensity because of small section on the conductor, so that is ideal cross AR by 4 pi r square. So this distance is say capital R. So we use this formula to answer this question, ideal. So in this section, what ideal we have to take? Here in this problem, ideal, the cylindrical coordinate system, dl is taken as d rho a rho plus rho d phi a phi plus dz az. Because rho is constant everywhere on this ring, so therefore this factor we have is 0, and z is equal to, because z will not vary on the ring, so this factor will come out 0. So therefore what the small section on the ring is taken as rho d phi a phi, but rho everywhere on the ring is a. So therefore the small section on the ring, remember that the small section on the ring is taken as a d phi a phi. So let us find out the unit vector between a phi 1 and 00h. So a phi 1 and 00h, we have to find out the unit vector between these 2 points. So therefore let us take r bar, the directional vector, 0 minus a, cylindrical coordinate system unit vector a. So we should not take the phi component while taking the unit vector the cylindrical coordinate system, plus h minus 1 into az. So the magnitude will come out as a square plus h minus 1 whole square root. So what is AR? The unit vector AR is r bar by r. Substitute these things in Biot-Savart's law to find out dH because of the small section ideal on this loop. So therefore the Biot-Savart's law, the magnetic field intensity dH because of what is ideal? Ideal is A d phi, A phi because the current flowing is in A phi direction. So AR is unit vector is R bar by R. R bar is minus A rho plus H minus 1 into AZ by 4 pi R square x into root x, okay, x power 3 by 2. So therefore the denominator is written as H A square minus H1 minus 1 whole square whole power 3 by 2. Let us take the cross product A rho A phi AZ cross product. A phi cross A rho is minus AZ. A phi cross AZ is rho A rho. So therefore let us take this unit vector inside. So therefore the magnetic field intensity dH is written as IA d phi. If you take this A phi inside, A phi cross A rho is minus AZ, minus into minus plus AZ plus A phi cross AZ is A rho. So therefore H minus 1 into A rho by 4 pi into A square plus H minus 1 whole square whole power 3 by 2. But A rho can be written as cos phi AX plus sin phi AY. So you can clearly see that the phi, the angle because of the entire circle, phi is varying from 0 to 2 pi. So cos 0 to 2 pi is 0, sin 0 to 2 pi is 0. So therefore this entire term will come out as 0. So what we can write here, due to symmetry, A rho component is 0 because of this reason. Sin phi is over 0 to 2 pi is 0, cos phi over 0 to 2 pi is 0. So therefore this entire term is 0. So therefore the rest of the integral, the rest of the term is written as dH is equal to IA square, in fact IA square d phi by 4 pi into A square plus H minus 1 whole square whole power 3 by 2 into the unit vector is AZ. So because the phi is varying from 0 to 2 pi, so therefore the total magnetic field intensity, because of entire loop, so therefore H is given by, so IA square by 4 pi into A square plus H minus 1 whole square whole power 3 by 2 is a constant because phi is only varying. The phi varies from 0 to 2 pi d phi AZ. So the answer for this integral is 2 pi. So 2 pi by 4 pi will come out as 2. So therefore the magnetic field intensity formula will become IA square by 2 into A square plus H minus 1 whole square whole power 3 by 2 into AZ. So this is the answer for this problem. Now if you substitute different points in this equation, so because I you know, the radius you know, H is varying, so let us find out first what is the first point given. H, it is asked at 0 0 minus 1 centimeters. What is H here? H is equal to minus 1. H is equal to minus 1 centimeter. Substitute all these parameters in this. I is 50 milliamperes, so that is 50 into 10 power minus 3. Radius is 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters whole square. So this is 25 into 10 power minus 4 by 2 into A square. A square will come out as 25 into 10 power minus 4 plus H is minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 centimeters whole square is 4 into 10 power minus 4 whole power 3 by 2 into unit vector AZ. If you simplify this, you will get the answer as 0.4 AZ. The magnetic field intensity unit is ampere per meter. So this is the answer for the first one. The magnetic field intensity at a height of 0, minus 1 centimeters. Now let us do the second one. What is second one is asked? It is asked to find out H at 10 centimeters. So that is what is H in this problem? 10 centimeters. That is 10 centimeters height. Now substitute here H is equal to 10 in this equation. So therefore H will come out as I 50 milliamperes, 50 into 10 power minus 3. The radius of the loop is 5 centimeters. So 5 square, 25 into 10 power minus 4 by 2 into A square. A square is 25 into 10 power minus 4 plus H is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 square is 81 into 10 power minus 4 whole power 3 by 2 into AZ. So therefore the H will come out as, if you simplify this equation, H will come out as 57.3 AZ milliampere per meter. So this is the H at the height of 10 from the circular loop. So this is the answer you have to write for this question to get full 8 marks in the examination.